I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along, sponsored by Olga's Closet Fabrics. This is super exciting, and our sponsor, Olga's Closet, has kindly and generously given us a $40 gift card to give away to one participant who completes the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along. Now let's talk about this sew along. For day one, we're gonna print and assemble our pattern. We are also gonna cut it out and get our fabric cut out. For day two, we're gonna work on the bodice. Day three, we're gonna talk about those ties. For day four, we're gonna work on the neckband, and to finish it all up, for day five, we're gonna get those sleeves done. This is a really fun make. It looks hard, but it's not, and I'm super excited to get this started with you. I am using this beautiful double brush poly from our sponsor, Olga's Closet. This tie-dye is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. So join me for the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along this week, right here at 5out of 4.com.